Healthy magic shell recipe. Here we go. First, what you need to do is take about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and place it in your bowl. Yep, it's a little tricky to get out. Next, add in about 1 teaspoon of your favorite cocoa powder. Then add in 2 teaspoons of the real maple syrup. You know me, no fake stuff. Next, add in about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and then place the entire mixture in the microwave for about 30 seconds or until fully melted. Once it's fully melted, make sure to mix it on up so that everything is incorporated. Then grab your favorite frozen berries and pour the mixture over the top. And then you're gonna see some magic happen. Yes, you will. It will start to harden up as the coconut oil starts to cool down. And believe me, it will be deliciousness. And then make sure to eat it right away because who doesn't love chocolatey goodness? Enjoy!